And here's all this messy skincare. I know we have tons of it everywhere. And it's really nice if we can arrange it very neatly and nicely on our bathroom counter. You may not need more skincare after 50. In fact, what you need is really the right order, and you need it so that your barrier can actually use what you're putting on it. And because you own a beautiful serum, a wonderful cream, even the product everyone swears has changed your skin, and you feel like nothing is happening because it's sitting on top, it's pilling, your skin feels dry by noon, or it stings the second you apply anything on it. And that's when most women go, oh, let me get something stronger. But after 50, stronger is not always better. And sometimes it's not the product, it's the order. You'll see on the screen right there. Today, I'm giving you the simple over 50 skincare order that I teach: cleanse, soften, hydrate, repair, treat, protect. I snuck soften in there. Fewer products, better logic, calmer skin, and you're gonna learn why skin changes so much after 50, because it's not the same surface as it was at 35. We have hormonal changes, especially around menopause. Post-menopause can mean less natural oil, fewer barrier lipids, more water loss, and skin that is irritated so fast. Your barrier is that outer layer that keeps moisture in and irritants out. You can think of it like the roof on our house. If the roof is strong, everything inside is protected. If not, and it's got cracks, all that beautiful inside of your house is going to get ruined with the rain coming in. And that's what happens with the skin. And we keep layering stronger actives on. We're going to go, oh, we're going to just strip this, reactive. Let's put vitamin C, retinoids, peptides, brightening. Everything has its place. And that is something that you'll learn. But tight, dry, inflamed skin is not going to perform the way you want to. So before you buy something, or say, what else should I buy? Is my skin ready for what I'm applying? And that's the whole point of this order. The first is cleanse gently, not squeaky clean, not super tight, not shiny, not stripped. After 50, tight after cleansing usually means you remove too much. You want to take off sunscreen, makeup, sweat the day without washing away the lipids. That's what you need, but that's what your skin needs. In the morning, some dry, aging, mature skin. We don't need to wash in the morning because we went to bed with a really clean face. And if you're wearing the sunscreen and makeup, you have to cleanse at night. Step 2 is hydrating intelligently. Not stupid hydrating, but intelligent. Dry skin and dehydrated skin, sorry, that makes me laugh, are not the same thing. Dry skin is lacking oil, dehydrated skin is lacking water. And after 50, many of us have both dry and dehydrated. So while your skin's still slightly damp, apply your water-based hydration and a hydrating serum, a mist, anything like that with glycerin, hyaluronic acid, panthenol, humectants. This is the step that helps your skin feel elastic or flexible again. Step 3 is, to me, the most important: repair. All of them are important, but this is really where your barrier gets the support it needs. So you're helping replace the comfort, the cushion, the lipid support. You want ceramides, you want fatty acids, you want rich moisturizers, not occlusive like Vaseline, but you want anything that's going to help with dry, mature skin. When the barrier is calm, your skin is more tolerant. And when your skin is more tolerant, anything that you're using that's an active or a treatment has a better chance of being repairing instead of irritating. Step 4 is treating. This is where the targeted support is coming in. You're going to use the brightening. You're going to have peptides, retinoids, or retinol palmitate, texture, antioxidant support, whatever your skin can tolerate. But you have to know this is treat is not first. After 50, you do not want to be throwing strong actives on skin that's stripped. So you can't do that and just hope for the best. I see a lot of people do that. So you have to look at the product directions. You have to make sure that the treatments that you're going to do are for your skin. If something's burning, your barrier is screaming, and don't do it. Step 5 is always our protection. We have new sunscreen ingredients coming out. They were approved in August or before, but broad spectrum sunscreen, I really want you to have something with titanium dioxide. And at night, when you're off your sunscreen, you're wanting to use something that's going to be an opposite, and you can repair a lot of the skin at night. So think of night mask and seal in your serums, your creams, and cleanse. Your steps are super easy. Cleanse, hydrate, repair, treat, and protect. Now, some common order mistakes that we come across, and this can make any good skincare turn bad. So mistake that I see a lot is doing oil before water. If you put on a rich oil or heavy balm first and then try to apply one of these super active serums, the serum won't work. It'll just bead on top. Oil can be perfect it's at the end, not at the beginning. So water's first, and then what I call cushion is next, and then seal is always your last. Mistake number 2, I know you guys, putting on a strip barrier. When you exfoliate or you add retinoid or use super strong vitamin C or use an acid toner, your skin can look older instead of fresher because you're irritating the skin. And I say this with love, but that's not glow. It's rawness, and it's not radiance. If your skin is red, light, flaky, stinging, your routine is just not working for you. It's working harder. Your barrier is screaming for you to slow down, and you're not. But mistake number 3 is there's so much sunscreen confusion. Sunscreen is your final morning skincare step. I want you to confuse that with a moisturizer. A sunscreen is a sunscreen, a moisturizer is a moisturizer, and they don't mix together. Your skincare treatments need to be first and then your sunscreen last. Or if you have a mineral makeup, you can use that almost as your sunscreen too. Mistake number 4 is too many products. After 50, it's tempting to treat everything. We want to treat dryness, pigment, sagging skin, elasticity, everything. But your face needs to come number 1, and more layers does not automatically mean better results. Sometimes the products are actually interfering with each other and causing more confusion. And here is the really simple morning routine. 1 gentle cleanse or rinse. Hydrate is your second one with your water-based step, little spritz on the face. Number 3 is always your repair. And number 4 is treating. It can be an antioxidant, and number 5 is always your sunscreen. Protecting that with broad sunscreen is honestly the best thing you could do for your skin. Now for evening, you're going to cleanse, but sometimes you may double cleanse, especially if you wore sunscreen or makeup or you went to the gym. Second is hydration. The third is repairing the barrier. Fourth is treating it. Like if your skin is ready and your barrier is in good shape, nighttime actives can go on. Always seal it with a moisturizer and cream. And if you have one, a night mask. I swear by them. And here's the important menopause reactive skin rule. And it matters for both menopause and it matters for reactive skin because they can be 2 separate things. If your skin stings when you apply products, pause the troublemakers. If you don't know what the troublemakers are, you have to eliminate them one at a time. But pause exfoliating acids, pause your super crazy retinoids. If you have high dose vitamin C, you might want to make sure it doesn't burn. Fragrance heavy products, I'm just not a fan of fragrance. It's so toxic. really bad. You want to do this for a few nights at least, and sometimes it takes a month. You don't want to chase calm skin. You want to go back to the basics. You want to go back to like simple, keep it gentle cleanse, hydration, repair, protecting in the morning. At night, you want to keep it also simple. When your skin stops stinging, reintroduce one active at a time, not 5, just 1, or one product that you know that's well balanced. Use it slowly, watch your skin, let your skin barrier, tell you when your skin is ready for more. I'm going to go through a little bit of the BioBarrier method and analysis. This is what I teach. It's super, I teach it to pros. I also have a course for consumers and you guys, simply because I want you to know that you don't have to throw the products at your face and hope something works. The more knowledge you have about what you're using on your face, the better you're able to go by what your skin needs. And we're preparing the skin when we're doing the BioBarrier to actually deliver the treatments on all skin, but mostly for that 50 over. And the goal is not to punish your skin to look younger. The goal is to make the skin so nice and plump that it glows again. So if your serum is not absorbing, your moisturizer disappears in an hour, if your makeup sitting on the flakes and the new product is stinging, please don't go buy another jar of anything. Start by rearranging your order. Take your cleanser, make it gentle. Do your hydration smartly. Repair the barrier. Treat with intention. And I say that because your treatment is everything. And protect what you have. That one shift in your routine can make it seem more effective. And if you want to learn more about skin, definitely you can look for my Dewy Skin Reset Guide. Comment reset below and I'll show you where to get your Dewy back. And remember, your skin isn't done. You just need it in the right order.